Hello YouTube. I just put this Frigidaire window AC in this spot. Drilled the hole so it doesn't slur water a long time ago. I took out the other LG just because it was noisy, and also because it's getting into winter and it's getting cold out and we needed heater a few nights. So I put this one in and it is blowing cold out the evaporator. Because it's running in heat mode right now. This one is probably 5 years old, this AC. The one in my room is only like a couple years old. And there's the big compressor. I think this one's a 10,000. I'm just using it for heat. Coil damage because it used to be on a second floor right by a tree, and the tree branch would keep banging into it right here. But that's okay. It runs perfect. It's quiet, happy. So yeah. And then the other one's off because it doesn't heat. Alright, well that's all. More to come later.